Okay, done for the day. Got 2 layers of glass on the bolt flange there. Used the filler to fill up the old holes just so there wasn't big air voids. We had some issues, went way overboard, I guess, with the hardener. I didn't even get to use that one. And you can see it is kind of built up. It's the glass is supposed to etch and smooth its way in. Down here, yes, the further we got this way, no, it started to harden up. We got the metal tube glassed in there with some just 1 layer of biaxial, 1 piece on each spot, more than enough to hold it in place. I got the fender all sanded. As you can see, there's, those dark spots would be little low areas, in the from the cardboard, but you'll never see it. I did put a little filler on, that's where the big dip was. There was another big dip right here. Once I started sanding it, it really became evident. So when I was testing the mix, the hardener mix, when this one went off too quick, I thought, well, I'll try another mix, and we'll just throw whatever it is on here to make sure we got it right. It's hard to tell when you mix little tiny amounts, man. It can be a real pain. If you put 2 or 3 drops in, 3 drops might not catalyze it. All 4 drops and it'll go off in a heartbeat. So it is what it is. Tomorrow we'll glue the tube in on this one and glass it in while we're doing the fiberglass repair on the outside on the other end over there. We'll go ahead and just grind this off in the morning when it's it's hardened up. We'll go ahead and just put a little filler in there just to fill the deep spots and in that big void on the corner, and we'll just throw some bits and pieces of just scrap in there because we're just going to sand it down anyway, right? So no problem, piece of cake getting these things painted, coated, and mounted. Tires on first, on the ground, weight on the axles and all that, then block the fenders up where they're supposed to go so it looks right, and go ahead and screw them down, mount them down. So trailer done tomorrow on Saturday, just as promised, right here from RPM. Now this nose thing and sinus steel has been giving me a bit of a pain. It's hard to sleep when you can't breathe, so been a long couple of days, but it's done. Like I said in that earlier video, if the overnight isn't going to warm up any more than freezing or 40 degrees, I'll probably just leave the shifter cart home. Don't need to go tearing that up if we don't need, for no apparent reason. I mean, we wanted to put a new gauge on it, make sure we get the water temp thing right. But if we're only going to see 50 degree ambient, still, I guess a static number that doesn't change on and off the gas, corner to corner, would still prove what's going on. But I'm already thinking about next year and putting that big radiator in the nose of the go-kart and getting it off the back of the cart. I'm not crazy about all that body work on the back of the cart. All that added weight, it's a pain to load it in, get it loaded up in the trailer and stuff. I just, I don't know. We'll see. New stuff coming. We got a lot of fiberglass to do this winter. We got Rich's set to do for Rich Sheedlack. Peace, Rich. What's up? We've got the 4-banger side pods to make, and then eventually quarter panels and a back panel and a nose bit over the winter. So we've got that to do. We've also got new side panels or new style stuff to make for the new F-125, and we're going to build that cart. Have to. The carts, the chassis over there, all the parts and pieces are there. We've got some things we want to get repaired, replaced, updated on our particular cart. Spindles and what have you, kingpins that need to be replaced. So we've got a lot to do this winter. Not heartbroken that we're not going to make the trip to Daytona. I don't know, man. I don't want to go down there just to turn laps. I mean, if we can't go down there and crush them and have a shot at winning the big trophy, then I don't want to go. So we'll see. That's it for tonight. Friday night, gonna go home, get some grub, probably shower, and hang out a bit. Gonna go for a walk with the kitties and stuff here in a little bit. But that's it from Rich's house on Friday. We're done for the day. It's all downhill from here, folks. Hang in there, man. We're praying for you.